90. A little motorcycle like this is amazing just simply because you can wring its neck everywhere you go and just have a ton of fun. Now, unlike the Ninja 400, this motorcycle not only is a small CC'd motorcycle, but it is also a fantastic little beginner bike. I'd say the main difference between the two is that the Ninja 400 has a little bit higher end power, where this little RC390 is going to give us a little bit more torque, and yet the trade-off will be less high-end power. So now that Ninja 400, I was able to get to 120 fairly easily, and it would kind of leak its way to 130. From my understanding, this motorcycle will probably tap out about 100 depending on your weight, but getting there should be a little bit more fun than the Ninja 400. I am super excited. Let's go ahead and start this thing up.